Let's watch grandmother.
That's all right. Go ahead and just sit like that. Yeah, just sit.
Hold on.
Wait a minute. Gotta hold on. I'll fall in that.
That's fine.
You know what? Hey. I believe I'm too old to do this. Jump out a minute. Let me. Can you stick your legs in here? Huh? Get in there. Put my legs in? Inside.
Yeah, that's what I did too.
Yeah. The other one too. There you go.
Can you help her? Peyton, can you help her?
Okay.
Thank you.
Don't make it too big. I'm not. Just hold on. Huh? Hold on. Okay.
Just keep hold on, hang on.
That is fun. I'm already drunker than a skunk. I won't be able to walk when I get out. Oh, don't let me go any bigger.
You'll have to sit for a minute.
Yeah. Wait a minute before you get out. Make you dizzy. I believe I'll stand down in it. Okay. And then I'll lift it up. Okay. One leg at a time. Yep. I'm drunk. I know it. You dizzy?
Can you stand up? Oh, she's gonna... Are you stuck?
I got you. I got you. Push my leg out.
Peyton!
I won't ever do that again. But I did it once.
Was it fun? Was it fun?
Wasn't it fun? I think I'm all right now. Was it fun? Yeah, it was fun.